this is, so to say, one of the unusual ICTS programs in the sense that we are starting off to experiment with this format for the first time. The program, the first 2 weeks will consist of a pedagogical school, as you all have seen, of course. You are here, so you must have seen what the school is about. The school will essentially focus on mathematical modeling of geophysical phenomena, topics starting from rotating and stratified flows by Jay Sukhatme, turbulence by Jain Bhattacharjee. He was here somewhere. He's here in the corner. And instabilities in fluid flows by Rama Govindarajan. She's not here yet. Mikhail Ugele is going to talk about. Sorry, it took me some time. Is going to talk about stochastic aspects, so stochastic models of climate with Levy-Noise. There will be another set of lectures on model reduction, in particular stochastic model reduction by Georg Gottwald. And Jean-Luc Thifo will talk about mixing in fluid flows. So there's a wide range of topics related to geophysical flows, geophysical phenomena in general. So that's the first part of the school, the lecture series. And the program essentially aims at combining pedagogical aspects, which is the school, with research topics. So there is a large gap in the afternoon, as you must have seen. The afternoon is essentially all free with a purpose, because we would like the students to start discussing various topics that they find interesting in the school with the lecturers, with some of the faculty who are here from local institutes, TIFA Center for Applicable Mathematics, IISc, JNC, ICTS, of course, as well, and so on. So we would like to sort of say have you start thinking about discussing various research topics that interest you, that you find interesting from the school, or maybe related to your research. So most of you are at a stage where you are doing some research or have already finished a big research project as part of your PhD and are possibly thinking of maybe changing your topics or working on related research areas. So there are a large set of summer schools. For example, the academy has one. Each of the institutes has many summer schools for undergraduates, MSc, BSc students, and so on. There are hardly any for PhD or postdoc students to look at a related research area, just try to understand what other research is about, and maybe try to find new research topics as you go along. And so this is aimed at giving a wide exposure to PhD postdoc students in areas possibly slightly outside their main research area. So please, hopefully you can take the opportunity to discuss with a variety of faculty here and with each other as well, of course. Because eventually you will be the faculty who will want to talk to each other and start developing new collaborations. Okay, so that's the broad area. So there are two aspects. One is some of the students will have been already selected to stay here for 2 full months to do a research project. Some of you will be selected during the first roughly week to week and a half. To do a research projects in the remaining 2 months. And this selection will be based on your interest in staying here, your interest in the topic of this research program, and general feedback from lecturers and from ourselves about your performance in the lectures. So please talk to us, talk to the lecturers, and so that we can see whether you would like to continue staying here for 2 months or not. That number is roughly between 5 to 8. It's not exactly defined yet. And the projects to be done during the 2 weeks or during the 2 months will be decided during the first 2 weeks as we talk to you about what topics interest you and so on. So, okay. The second part of the 2-month-long thing is lecture notes. We would like you to take, so those who are going to stay for 2 months, one of their duties in some sense is to take lecture notes, actually type them up in an appropriate format, interact with the lecturers. So lecture notes should not, okay, so lecture notes, as far as I know, think of them, contain 3 things. One is what's on the board. That's the easiest thing to write down, copy. Second is detailed calculation that are left out from what's not on the board. So for example, going from step 1 to step 2, okay, this can be easily done, or ads can be seen. Those kind of things should be filled up by you while taking the lecture notes. And the third thing is the context and actual, so to say, description of what the problem is about. Not everything will be written on the board. A lot of things will be said, like I am talking. So all of those should go in the lecture notes so that somebody else later on can actually read the lecture notes, look at the video recorded lectures, and hopefully understand well what has gone on during these 2 weeks. So that's another aspect of this program that, so to say, we are trying to experiment with. If we can manage to get them published in some form, great. Otherwise, at least they will be available on the ICTS webpage for future use. Okay, so that's about mostly about the program. Some practical information. I guess most of you have received emails from the DCS at ICTS account. The person behind that account, Manasi is not here. Okay, so Manasi Shinde, she is in A203. Maybe I'll write it here. And if you have questions, if you have practical concerns, whom to contact and so on and so forth, please talk to Manasi. She has been mostly communicating with you, not I. The DCS account was mostly taken care of by her. So she's really the main organizer of the program. Then there is discussion space. So if you go around the corner through this corridor, there are 2 more lecture halls over there, and there is a Nambu room. You will see the name put up on the board over there. That is meant for the program participants. So there are blackboards over there. There are chairs and desks and so on. You can sit there. Wi-Fi is available everywhere on campus. I think the ICTS guest house Wi-Fi is different. I don't remember now. Sorry, ask Manasi again about this. But so you should be able to just work pretty much anywhere. There are blackboards at multiple places around the corridors. So if you want to discuss things, you can just sit around there. So Nambu room is one of the main places where you can stay for discussing and so on in the afternoons. That's another. The web page for talks will be the most. Okay, let me see if I can open a web page. ICTS Summer Research Program. So if you go to the main page of the program, the talks links will have the up-to-date schedule. We haven't really handed out a printed schedule to you, partly to save paper and partly because you all will have access to this resource anyway. So most of the morning lectures are anyway already fixed. Then some of the afternoon seminars, like the 2 that I added just today morning, are here. Where is it? There. So there will be some additional seminar that will sort of say announce on the spot as time goes on, as we talk to more people. So this is next Tuesday, and there is one more next Thursday. The title will be announced soon. So the most up-to-date schedule will be here. Informal discussions in the afternoon, we may make them sort of say more formal by converting them into possible tutorials, depending on your interest, depending on how much you think you need the background information and so on. That will be again announced during the tea time on that day. So the tea time tomorrow will announce whether there is a sort of say structured tutorial in the afternoon or it's just informal discussions or not. Third thing, many of you are PhD students or postdocs. So if you're interested in giving a short talk, we will have time slots in the afternoon again for arranging for, so to say, we'll make a schedule for presentation by you in the afternoons, in maybe 2 or 3 afternoons during these 2 weeks. So please let me know. So I think I'll just put a sign-up sheet here. If you're interested in giving a talk, short talk, how short will depend on how many of you want to give a talk and how much time we have. But I would say less than half an hour for sure. Probably much less, so it depends on how many of you are interested. So that will arrange basically on the spot as time goes on. Sunday morning, we'll have a hiking trip to Nandi Hills, It's a short hike, about maybe 2 hours going up, 1 hour coming down. So if you are, we'll put up a sign-up sheet later during the week, and you can sign up for it if you're interested. And I think that's about all I had to say. So I think it will be good during the lectures. Please turn off your mobile phones, or put them on silent mode or whichever. So we have a few minutes. I think it will be good if we just introduce yourself. So say your name, the institute, and main research interest, and then we can just go around the room to see what each other works on and start getting friendly to each other. So I'm Amit Apte. I'm from ICTS TFR. I work on dynamical systems with applications to ocean or generally earth sciences. Yeah. Oh, actually, sorry, one more. So this part of the reason for this was also that if you want to, so all of these, most of these lectures will be recorded. So if you have questions, please raise your hand and we can bring you a mic. So your question will also be recorded, because if you have seen some of the previous ones, the answer comes out in the recording, but not the question. So it's better to have the question as well recorded. So please wait for the mic. And this one does not work. Does it work? Does this work? Nope. This one does not work yet. So, okay. Hopefully it will start working by tomorrow or day after.
Hi, I'm Shrikar Vadlamani from TIFR Center for Applicable Mathematics in Yelahanka in Bangalore. And my research area is stochastic analysis, but I'm usually interested in applications. And with Amit, I have been working on some statistical aspects of inverse problems.
I am Rupak Mukherjee from Institute for Plasma Research. I'm doing my PhD. My research interest is in the basic things of turbulence.
Sorry, I think your mic is off. I can't hear. No? Okay.
Hello?
Yeah.
Is it?
I don't know. Yeah.
I'm Rupak Mukherjee. I'm doing my PhD in Institute for Plasma Research, and I'm interested in some simple things on turbulence.
Hello, I am Shubhadeep Shaduka. I am from IIT Kanpur. My research interest is in astrophysical flows and instabilities.
I am Shailen Kumar Rathore. I am a PhD student in Physics Department, IIT Kanpur, and my research area is astrophysical flows and instability.
Maybe either you can speak up or you can adjust the mic. It is on.
Check. They need to speak like this.
Hello. Hello. Hi, I'm Suraj Singh. I'm a PhD scholar in Aerospace Department, IIT Madras. And I work in vortex instabilities and basically interested in anything in physics.
I am Dheeraj Verma, from PhD student from Department of Aerospace Engineering, IIT Madras. And I'm interested in stratified flows and more specifically internal waves.
Hello, I am Tirthankar Sengupta. I'm a postdoc working in JNCSR. I'm working on the kinetic theory of gases right now.
Hello, I'm Pratik Aghor, and I'm a master student at JNCSR, and I've just started working on instabilities of fluid flows.
Hello, I'm Pratik Anand, and I'm a PhD student at JNCSR, and my interest area is theoretical hydrodynamics with suspensions and instabilities.
I'm Ruchir Divedi. I'm a final year undergraduate student at BITS Pilani. Right now I'm working with Professor Ganesh at GNCSR. I'm working in applied aspects of fluid mechanics. So we are trying to show hysteresis in a suspension of oblate spheroids right now. So, yeah.
Hello. My name is Sajini. I am a postdoc in ICTS. I work with Amit's group, and I'm working on monsoon models.
I'm Rishmi. I work in NIT Calicut. My interest is dynamical system theory.
I'm Chaitanya Tappu. I'm an undergraduate at ISC. Well, I don't have any specific interests as such. I'm just finished second year. but yeah, I'm sort of interested in dynamical systems.
I'm Anya. I'm a research associate in IIT Delhi, and I'm working on ocean heat content.
Hi, I'm Shukla Pal. I did my PhD works from SN Bose National Center for Basic Sciences in Kolkata. I did my work on cold atom physics, and I'm interested in the dynamics and the turbulence and hydrodynamics in cold atoms.
Hi, I'm Sagitya, PhD student from Pondicherry University, and I have started my coursework just.
Hi, I am Varun Kumar. I am PhD student of Engineering Mechanics Unit in JNCSR, and my research interests are in stratified fluids, rotating fluids, and applied mathematics.
Hi everyone, I'm Danny. I'm from IIT Madras. I come from the Chemical Engineering Department. I broadly work in the area of complex systems. So to be in particular, I work in complex behavior of droplets and microchannels. I've come to this school to explore new areas in complex systems to basically broaden my research interests.
Hi, I'm Piyush. I'm a master's student at JNCSR, and my particular area of research is hydrodynamic stability.
Hi, I'm Pratik Sathe. I'm a physics undergraduate at IIT Bombay. I've been working on finding and recognizing geophysical flows till now. And yeah, I would like to explore more topics here.
Hi, my name is Ayush Mandwal from Center for Excellence in Basic Science. I'm interested in earthquake and tectonic activities.
Hi, my name is Deepu, and I'm a postdoc at TCS Hyderabad. Currently, I'm working on cloud physics problems and biophysical aerodynamics.
Hi, I'm Shakti Menon. I'm a postdoc at Institute of Mathematical Sciences, Chennai. So I work in the complex systems group, and I work on a wide range of topics, but all related to pattern formation, synchronization, and emergent phenomena.
Hi, my name is Martin James. I'm from IISc, and my interest is in turbulent flows.
Hi, I'm Akhil Shivakumar. I just finished my MSc in IISc here in Bangalore. So for my MSc, I work with some process Samruddhi here in ICTS. So I have some experience in numerical turbulence.
Hi, I'm Keshav Krishnan, and I'm a math master's from ISI Bangalore. I haven't really done any research work so far, so this was just to explore and figure out what I wanted to do research in the future.
Hello, I'm Vaidehi, and I have just finished my PhD. I have worked on nonlinear lattices, dynamics, and quantization. So basically solving nonlinear differential equation and getting the solution, checking the stability and all. I'm here to explore more application-oriented part of my work.
Hello, I'm Santosh. I'm from ICTS, PhD student. My research interest is in mathematical physics.
Hi, I'm Abhijit. I'm from ICTS, PhD student. My primary research interest is statistical physics, condensed matter, and dynamical systems. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Michael Hügele. I'm assistant professor in Bogota in Universidad de los Andes, and my research interests are basically dynamical systems perturbed by Levy processes and applications to climate science.
Hello, I am Sandeep Mahapatra. I have just completed, I am from Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, Pune. I have just now completed my coursework. I'm going to work on ocean modeling and data simulation.
Hello, I'm Srilekha from IIT Madras. I'm from Department of Applied Mechanics. I just finished my coursework. I'll be working with modeling instabilities in systems involving turbulence.
Hello, I am Manpreet Kaur. I'm from Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, Pune. I also just finished my coursework and I will work with Extended Range Prediction Department.
Hello everyone, my name is Faliha Inamdar. I did my MS Physics and I have just started working at Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, Pune. So basically my work involves effects of DMS glycoxal from the ocean in the atmosphere. So basically I'm starting with it.
Hi,
I am Adve. I have just finished my PhD from IISc and will be joining as a postdoc in ICTS. My area background is mostly in computer science, and I'm mostly interested in Bayesian modeling of complex spatiotemporal processes.
Hello, I'm Akshay. I'm a BTech undergraduate from IIT Madras. I haven't done any research till now. I just want to explore new areas.
Hi, I am Soumitro from IICR Kolkata, BSMS student, and my area of interest is stochastic processes.
Hi, I'm Suipto. I'm from IISR Kolkata, and my main research interest is stochastic data analysis and application in optics and biology.
I'm Jayanta Bhattacharya from HRI Allahabad. My interest is in dynamics of whatever takes my fancy.
Hello, I am an undergraduate at IIT Kanpur and my research interest is broadly fluid dynamics and dynamical systems.
Good morning, I am Gopalakrishnan. I submitted my PhD thesis last month. I worked with Professor Sujit in Department of Aerospace Engineering in IIT Madras. Currently, I am an assistant professor in Amrita University. My thesis was on bistability and noise-induced transition in prototypical thermoacoustic systems.
Hi, I'm Jay Sukhatbe. I'm a faculty member at ISC, and I guess I'll be speaking on rotating fluids here, and that's pretty much what I work on.
And then come back here at 11.